Hello, namaste. Uh, Let us talk about Gemini for the month of June 2020. Let's see what the card has are saying about Gemini. Gemini, lot of all the cards are from the suits of cup. So there is more about the emotional drama which is going around Gemini in the month of June. Uh, Here is the first card, which is Five of Cups. So the card talks about kind of depression, kind of grief in your life. What I am seeing is you have not moved on with any situation, with a particular situation. You have not moved on. You are still carrying that grief, that sorrow within yourself, and the card says that which is making you stuck up in your life. So here is the time, dear Gemini, uh, to move on in your life. See, life will not be the same always, right? Once we start moving on, once we start looking for new things, then we will also be getting new opportunities. What has happened already. We can't change the past, but we can at any moment in our life we can create a good future, isn't it? So that's a message that the card is telling us. Now, coming to the next card, which is the Seven of Cups again. So, the Seven of Cups is telling you that you are living in a world or you are living in a fantasy world. I mean, you are just thinking and you're not making things, you are not putting things in practical. You are not practicing these things, so whatever you are thinking you are not practicing them. The card also says that this month may give you this month may give you different options. You may be served with lot many options with on the emotional side or on the personal or professional side again, which no, you have to make a proper decision. And the card says that you are going to get fantasy. You are no, how to say, you may not be looking for the practical side of the situation. So moreover, you may there is a possibility that you may get carried away with the emotions that you are already holding from the past. Okay, so which may not allow you to take a proper decision again. So that is what the card says. And oh wow, then the fourth card, which is Four of Cups. As I said, all the cards are from the suits of cup, so there is lot of emotions attached this month for you, dear Gemini. So the four of cups says that loss of opportunity or not looking at the, again the card says not looking at the practical side or not looking at the things that you have, that you can own or that you can take benefit of. Okay, so there is something that you are lacking, you are missing in your life, and you are not looking at the positive side of it. If we go back to the first card also, the Five of Cups, though the man is standing and grieving, and he appears to be no little dull. He appears to be in his own sorrow, and the cups are these three cups. These three cups are are just lying on the ground, but on his back side there are two cups, dear Gemini. There are two cups which are still standing, right? So these two cups are still available for you, but you are not looking at these two cups. You are worried only about the three cups on the ground. So just look on the other side also. You are not looking on all the sides practically. So the card, all the three cards are saying that you are stuck up with some situation. You are you are not looking at the life in a practical way. You are not looking at the practical solutions. So just see for the things. Grass may not be greener on the other end all the time, right? So remember that I'm not saying grass is greener on the other end. No, it may not be greener every time on the other side. So the card, all the three cards says that it may not be greener. So when you are deciding something, listen to your intuition. think think properly, take help of your wisdom, be wise when you're making a decision. Don't just get carried away with the feelings that you are holding from your past. That this is very important. And just be practical. All these cards are pointing you out in this moving on to the practical side of the life. And then again, let's see what the energies are saying about you. Oh wow. So again, the energies are talking about the emotions, right? Woman holding a heart. Okay, so there is a beautiful woman which is holding a heart in her hand. So the card says, see, you will be getting a help either from a lady. It can be your teacher, it can be your guru, it can be your mother, sister, or your wife, or your girlfriend. By someone from your feminine energy, you will be going to get some guidance on the emotional side, or you will be, your emotions. You can rely upon some female energy. You can rely upon some female friend, and try to talk to that female friend, or try to talk to that female lady, female person in your life, and seek out some. She will be the one who will be able to guide you better at this moment, because women are by nature emotional, right? So they understand emotions very well. So this is the time where you can confide yourself with a woman, the woman who is more close to your heart. You will be able, uh, uh, no, you see, your energies will be directing you to this woman that you will understand very soon. Whoever it is, it can be a colleague also, it can be a senior also, it can be a friend as well, anyone in your life. Okay, so you are going to get a benefit, or you can take a guidance. Okay, so this lady is here to give you guidance on your emotional side, to help you in overcoming this grief, or to help you in taking a practical decision also. So you will be getting, though you are stuck up with all these things this month, you will also, the universe is also sending you with this help again. So take help of this feminine energy this month. Now moving on to the universe message. The message from the universe is again emotional. It is more of love again. I am going to read this for you. I create mindful movements throughout the day. Wow. I create mindful movements throughout the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. So that says that, yeah, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself fully, miracles will bound to happen. Okay, miracles are being nurtured, and uh, it's ultimately how you are taking the life. Don't get stuck up with the past. Always think about the future. Always consider what you are doing in the present, instead of, if I am just trying to synchronize all the cards which are in front of me for the month of June for you, dear Gemini. So the what I will say is, see for all the consequences, see for learn from the lessons that the from your past, but don't just keep yourself stuck up in that situation. Also look for the possibilities that the life has stored in store for you, and it is about to serve you with these possibilities. So try to look for excuse me, try to look for these possibilities. Take the help, take the guidance which is coming your way. Okay, so, and ultimately the miracles, you will be out of this grieving situation. You will be able to move on in your life, because the miracles are bound to happen. Okay, so believe in this. Believe in this universal message. I'm winding up for this month, dear Gemini. Have a great month. We will look again in the next month, next coming month. Okay, till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.